To remove SIM card from Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to open a SIM tray on the bottom side of your device. So it should be right here, next to the port where you usually charge your phone. Then we can take our SIM ejection tool, and with the pointy thing, we need to insert it into this gap right here. Then you need to use a bit of the force and push the pin inside. That way your slot will release. You can grab it with your fingers like this and remove it. Now to remove the SIM card, we need again, we can take the SIM ejection tool, and then on the other side there's 3 gaps. You can just push it out, and as you can see, it's removed. In case that you're using a dual SIM slot, which makes you put 2 cards inside and you don't see those gaps, usually all you have to do is, if you pay attention right here, we can see this little nib of our SIM card, and we can also try to carefully remove it, and then do the same thing with SIM ejection tool on the other card. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.